A morning routine for mompreneurs like me. 4 morning tricks to get you in the flow. Keep that side business you started going strong. You have a side hustle from home? Let's talk about getting motivated every day. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe if you're new so you don't miss any Emery Posh videos. I'm excited to talk about a morning routine, and it's really important to start your day on the right foot and in the right flow and get yourself right into those good moments that are really productive for your life, for your day, and for your business. When you're working from home in the same space that you're living, that your family is living, that your children are living, your kitchen, your dining room, your living room, your bedroom maybe. Now taking those family fun places and relaxing places and turning them into productive workspaces takes creating motivation and energy. Now here's my suggestions for a girl boss or mom boss routine. This starts every morning right when you wake up before you touch your phone. Don't touch your phone. Don't touch your phone. Let's get focused on you first. I guarantee if you take some of these tips or all of them, it's going to change you, possibly even boost your business. Number 1, motivation affirmation. Now, use words very first thing in the day. Use words, the power of words. You can have a vision board or just some words or quotes written down and put them where you'll see them, where you'll notice them and remember them. First thing in the morning, I like to have a little quote in my kitchen. I have some little things on my dresser, and then I'm reminded to look at them every morning. I see them, I look at them, I say those words. Let those words push you into that space of the energy you need to feel strong and be ready to get to work. It's kind of like you're priming your brain. Use the words that help you to get primed and ready. One word that I've been using lately is, I can do this. I have that written down in my bathroom, so when I'm brushing my teeth, I look at it and I remember, and I say it in my head and I say it out loud. I can do this. It's just one of those inspiring phrases, and it makes you feel good no matter who you are. Now, after our minds are primed, we've got to move our body. Now remember, this is before you touch your phone every morning. We need some movement to bring oxygen to every organ in our body. Now, you can do yoga, stretching. I really like, it's called the 5 Rites of Tibet. It's kind of like yoga, but there's certain specific movements. They're super quick, easy, and very powerful. Look it up, the 5 Rites of Tibet. Give it a try. You'll find a ton of different videos and instructions on the 5 Rites of Tibet. It's 5 simple things that wake up every muscle in your body, get your blood moving, and create clarity. Here's a little clip of me doing some of those movements every morning, first thing when I get out of bed. but you're going to be amazed. If you've never done this before, it feels so good. Okay, now we're primed. Every muscle is awake. You're ready to engage with a new energy level. So number 3, clear your mind. You want to create clarity. Detach from your brain just for a minute. Don't think about all the hundreds of little things you need done. Lunch is packed, milk in the sippy, diapers changed, priorities versus non-priorities. Now remember, this only takes a few minutes. Do I need to shower first? Do I need to make breakfast first? Or do the little things first? The body movements really help with this. Letting your body wake up so that when you need it, your flow is ready to take on your day. Let me know in the comments below if you try this and how it makes you feel, because for me, it has made a huge difference in my life and I'm really, really loving it. Number 4, find your flow. Now, when we're work-at-home moms and we get those moments where we can work, and you know what it feels like when you're really in a good mood, you have the good energy and motivation, and you've done a really good job, and you know you've made a difference in your business and your day. That's the flow I'm talking about. And we want that flow to happen first thing in the morning so we can already be there. We already want to make a difference and boost our life and our business. So finding that flow first thing in the morning is what this is all about. So most work from home moms and side hustle people like me, we all understand what that feels like. When you get in that good flow, you're excited because you believe in yourself. So let's get right there. And that high flow spot will come back to you all day. If this video was helpful, if you feel motivated, please like, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to be on my team and do something great for yourself, I'd love to have you. All my contact information is below. Get in touch with me. I'd love to chat. Life can truly be amazing if you have the right tools. And don't forget to pamper yourself. Let me know how those Tibetan moves have helped you. And the affirmations can be anything. Something positive you want to say to yourself every morning. And mine changes every couple of weeks. Give me some examples below. I always am open to new motivational affirmations. Don't forget to pamper yourself. Have a happy day. Bye.